Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, this won't be a long video because it's more of a question video. Maybe one of the authorities them can explain it to me, because you don't know, as a local YouTuber, especially like how them say we can't read and write so well, the brain is not braining. Mr. Kiprich get arrested and charged for use of audio and audio-visual communication to promote criminal activity. Don't do the check long time. Even before this, find out this is a law. It's an actual law. I don't know when this law get written. I don't even know how long it left on the books. But it's a law. What confused me, however, is how the law is applied and when them choose to apply it. Because when you read the law and how you can get charged under that act, at least 80 to 90% of your favorite artists them for that jailhouse right now. Let me say this. The tune or dub plate, whatever you want to call it, the feces, the human excrement of a tune where Kiprich go build. So one other is just another example of the fact that your favorite artists them are some LIQ acidic dopey about them. I tell you about them long time. Agents of death and destruction. Normally when time people are called name for acidic artists and who do this and who push this agenda, Kiprich name normally no the top of the list. But evidently it should be. And while I agree, Kiprich is another example of a vile Irish Saxon dopey bot who use quote-unquote art as a smoke screen to push death and destruction within Ireland, social decay, etc. While I agree all those things are true, I don't understand why only Kiprich get discharged. Other artists, much bigger artists with much bigger reach and bigger fan base, do exactly the same thing and nothing happen to them. So what I'm asking is, how you decide when to apply this law and who you decide to apply it against? Enough squaddy up and down in a convoy, there are stage show, a protect and a bodyguard artist who say the same thing. Promote criminal activity, any kind of badness, and they can get charged. But by that definition, how much artists wouldn't get charged? Me hear what him say about the police, and me hear what him say. I'm just confused. If you're going to apply the law, you have to be consistent. Only can't just single out only a small time dopey but only know say can't put on a big show where go draw 20,000 people and sink him and make the rest of them gone. By this charge, the whole of your favorite artists them in jail. Beanie, Bunty, World Sprat, Massacre, Alkaline, how much name you want to call? The whole of your favorite artists them gone to jailhouse. Base span, the definition, or base span, right, the very general description we see also for this law. Use of audio and audio-visual communication to promote criminal activity. The amount of money that jail, they don't have space left. Why Kiprich? Or, well, not why Kiprich, I know why Kiprich, but why Kiprich alone? Let me repeat. Kiprich, like many of the artists that I'm telling about, they're agents of death and destruction. After them push that nonsense to Europe to them take for them pick them and send them go the best and the safest of schools. And after them push that nonsense on the youths them, many youths who don't even have one smud in them house with sense, then them go home to for them nice safe family way up in some nice safe community far from the madness. This is not just Iron Man, this applies to Uncle Sam as well. Because I'm telling you, it's all by design. Remember the Dr. Umar video? Watch that again.
Whatever your definition of sellout, whatever your definition of race traitor, there is no way that the chart-topping gangster rapper is not a coon. There's no way the average gangster rap artist is not a coon. Because your music allows you to live a bourgeoisie lifestyle amongst the whites and send your children to private white colleges and private white academies and private white Catholic schools. But your music motivates our kids to go to jail and go to the cemetery. And then on top of that, these gangster rappers think they can come to the black community and throw a cookout. And they think that if they come back to the ghetto they grew up in and throw a block party, throw a cookout, give out some Christmas toys, give out some Thanksgiving turkeys, give out a couple jackets when it gets cold, and you think that somehow absolves you of being responsible for a consistent, toxic, self-genocidal message of extermination. You are out of your mind.
So me I telling about Iron Man, he might telling about Uncle Sam. Me I talk about Iron Manians, he might talk about Uncle Samians. Are the same thing. The same DJ boy them, rapper boy them, I sit down and talk about kill, death. And run up in the house and kill the people them. After them do all that, them take all the money they make, and then them send for them people them. Go some school where them people them schoolmates don't look nothing like your people them. And then tell us all those words. And tell us all those music and all those art. Agents of death. That's what Kiprich is. Like many of his peers. But that doesn't mean that logic go out the window. That doesn't mean that logic go out the window. The question have to be asked, why Kiprich alone? Artists with much bigger fan base. Artists at least 20 times bigger than Kiprich say the exact same thing every day. And they get charged. So what I use for the side said this man must get charged, but them man they alright. How is this one art, but this one use of audio and audio-visual communication to promote criminal activity? When that's what the art do. Have you seen the dopey about DJ boys King? Me see him release on video with you. Oh, him they get charged for that. I remember say the man they come out come tell us straight say my termite boy. Make all tune a call the look YouTuber name. Them say I inform and all kind of something. I'm just trying to understand when is it art and when is it breaking this law or Messiah so. And who decides which one is which? You have to be consistent, guy. You have to be consistent. Me when him say about blue light, I'm not a policeman, I don't know them style. Is that why I'm get charged? Quite specific, so police, this I go reach police. But man say him kill Pitney. Man say him go in a church, man say him go in a mosque, him go in a synagogue, and kill all the bobo. Why are other vile acidic Irish Saxons who put out vile acidic content in the youth them ears not getting the same charge? Remember so we never go do the criminology course, so maybe you can explain it to me. Remember so we never get to go Winnipeg go study, so maybe the Winnipegian can explain it to me. What separates Kiprich from Suchman, Massacre, and them you there? Skeng and them you there? Tamale and them, I don't understand. What make Kiprich different from Skeng? Or Massacre? Or Tamale? Or any of these other highly acidic agents of death? What make Theme Case different? Guy, you have to be consistent with the law. You have to be consistent. The DJ who the whole go down a stadium for, including Squaddy, say the same thing and worse than what Kiprich do. Call out Tesha by name, clans big up one another, big up Skeg. Kiprich don't have the same pool. If Kiprich get locked up, then big time Billy Joe guy now go lose all on a stage show money. All the people who eat big food off of the highly acidic destruction and the highly acidic artists, them now go lose nothing by Kiprich getting locked up. Kiprich don't have 20-30 big show for the year in the Iron Man. With much promoters spending much millions. Whatever reason you use to say why Kiprich should get charged for this, that same reason would apply to at least 80% of dancehall. So why Kiprich alone? I don't feel sorry for Kiprich. But that don't mean say logic go out the window. That don't mean say reasoning is no longer needed here. It can take a break, it can go up and leave. It can take 9 months paid vacation. Why Kiprich alone? Or does the law say, if you say it on a stage, or if you say it in a studio, it's different from when time you build a dub plate? I don't understand. But, of course I wouldn't understand. Me never go Winnipeg. So can a Winnipeg here and break it down for me? I don't understand. Just being honest here. This is one of those instances where I see the law, I know the law exists. I know they can get charged for the law. But I'm just wondering why only that guy? And what happened to that guy and that guy and that guy? What happened to that man and such man and such man? Promote criminal activity. Guy, that's all dancehall do. That is essentially modern day dancehall. Criminal activity, Jezebel behavior, harlotism, madness. That is Iron Man. Iron Man main music source. And as I said before, I don't just know dancehall stay so. From long time, dancehall always have the highly acidic element in them. However, back in the day, you did have other type of music from Jamaica that was just as popular and could balance out the thing. Now it gone all the way left. Now it gone all the way acidic. It all the way spooky. Acidic dancehall are nothing new. Where you could have the conscious tune, the lovers rock tune just as big at the same time. And it could balance it out. Right now there is no balance. It's gone all the way one side. And it's all by design, by the way. It's no coincidence. As music fans, only just see artists and see tune. You don't know how whole heap of money spent behind certain artists and pushing certain things. Whole heap of money. When you see even blogs that post one type of artist, it's not organic guy. Man, I get paid for post artist guy. Radio man get paid for play. That's this guy more than that guy. Now care them deny it, that's how the industry work. And when they start peeling away the layers, like an onion, eventually you go back to the same source or the same few people in. I call the shots behind the music scene in the Iron Man. So some artists have certain protections. They can literally get away with murder. But evidently others don't have the same gravitas, so them can get charged with something with the whole of them colleagues we get charged with too. I'm just saying, explain it to me, guy. Me no feel sorry for Kiprich, but that not change the fact say this is not a logical move in my opinion. It's not logical. You could go as far as to say it's not fair. As stupid as Kiprich is, as dumb as the song is, as acidic and destructive as what Kiprich was pushing in that dub plate, it does not cancel out the question, why only Kiprich? Be consistent with the law, guy. DJ boy have to go get called in and charged right across the board, or we don't have to say, well, like what we normally say, oh, this is just art and move on. As stupid and acidic as that art is, and obviously we'll just art and move on. Because we can't just say, well, yeah, when it comes on to him, charge him, but when it comes on to him, I just tune. It can't work, so guy. Either not gonna be consistent, or not gonna say, oh, free for all. Kiprich a dopey bot. Highly acidic dopey bot. There's a special place in Irie Heaven for people like Kiprich. Them DJ boy over the years poison the youth them mind. There's a special place in Irie Heaven for them. I know man a big up Dan. I know man a say boy I go dead back. I know man a big up gang. I know man a talk about one other. Look how long the man a talk about clans and one other and Tesha and Zeeks and tap Dodos, tap Zeeks. How this work, guy? When is it art and when is it using art and audiovisual and all kind of something? I'd say somebody from Winnipeg explain in the comment section because I'm much brighter than me, so we can see if we can make some sense out of it. Anyway, look out for a follow-up on the Bryce Johnson story. Just as suspected, the vile Irish Saxons them were lying. But madman. Even the way how Bryce Johnson mother reacted, make you know say a unicorn meet story about madman going and check the door and just walk in a house. I have to do a follow-up on it. To build an entire fake narrative just to deflect from who the real perpetrator is, knowing say a badness thing this, I'm gonna put it on all the mentally ill. So now people go do what? Hunt down madman, these people are vile. We'll talk about it another week, yeah. Follow up. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.